In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table to a Wix website. If you're looking to better organize and present your data on your site, tables are a fantastic way to do just that. We'll walk through this process step by step to make it straightforward and easy for you to follow. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to the Wix website editor. You'll see this option when you log into your Wix account and select the site you want to edit. This is your home base for any customizations you'd like to make, and adding a table will be no exception. Once you've entered the editor, the next thing you should do is look for the CMS icon. This will usually be located in the sidebar, clearly marked. The CMS or content management system is where you can manage all sorts of data-driven content for your website. Click on this icon to access it. With the CMS panel open, you'll see an option that says Add to Site. Click on this to start the process of embedding new elements into your website, including, of course, the table we are about to create. Next up, you'll want to locate the plus icon. You'll find this in the editor's toolbar, usually on the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking the plus icon will open a menu of options and elements that you can add to your site, from text to images, and importantly, data elements like lists and tables. After you click the plus icon, go ahead and select List from the menu that appears. Lists are a great way to organize content, and selecting this option will lead us one step closer to adding structured data to our website. Following that, we want to click on Tables. This is the specific element we need. Tables provide a grid format that can display row by row data and are incredibly versatile whether you are displaying product lists, schedules, or any kind of organized information. Finally, you'll want to choose the highlight option. This is a particular style or format you can apply to your table to make it stand out on your web page. It's a useful tool for drawing attention to your table and ensuring it integrates well with the rest of your site's design. And there you have it. You've successfully added a table to your Wix website. Remember, using tables effectively can greatly enhance the user experience by organizing and presenting information clearly. Whether you're showcasing products, detailing schedules, or displaying any other type of data, tables can make your content more accessible and attractive. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more web design tips and tricks.